Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is very simple. I think this is one of the simplest looks I've done on my channel, so make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. This is like my go-to type of makeup look, like if I'm going out or if I'm going anywhere for real and I want to wear some makeup. This is what I wear, because honestly I don't wear makeup like I used to. I don't wear makeup out for real, so when I do go out, this is what I wear. So make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. Okay y'all, so I've already, if y'all refer back to my last video, y'all know what I do, but I'm gonna just tell y'all real quick again. So I've used this Hydro Grip primer in my eyebrows because I just love the way it makes my eyebrows lay. I go on top with a translucent powder, and then I go straight in with my Morphe pomade in the shade Mocha to fill in my brows. Yeah, I really love this. Really, you know what, do I got a brow pencil? I know I got one, I just gotta find it. I'm really loving like the super natural, here we go. So I'm gonna try to do it right quick, and hopefully I don't make the video be too long. But y'all know the look where it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but basically it's like a really natural feel in for the brows. So I want to try to do that, but I feel like the brow pencil I have is not, what's the word, it's not creamy enough. But I'm gonna try. Like, yeah, this brow pencil, it don't really make hair like strokes. I feel like either there, I just don't know what I'm doing. But I can see people and they just literally draw it on like that, and it be looking so good. But this one is like, I gotta go over the same spot 10 times, so never mind, we're not gonna use this. So never mind that. I'm gonna just have to go to Ulta and see if I can find some better brow pencils, because that one's from LA Girl. Like, it's good, but it just doesn't give me like that creamy, like just glide on effect like I really wanted to. So I'm gonna just go back to using my pomade. So I know they look awful, but to conceal my brows, we're going to take the Juvia's Place Concealer in the number 13. Moving on to the eyes, I think I want to use this Pressed Pigment palette by NikkieTutorials. I think that's the name of this palette. That's what it says on the front. I bought this palette when it first launched, and I literally never used it. If y'all know what the palette look like, it's like double-sided. But I'm going to take this shade called 5 AM right here in the top. For primer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. I just know somebody's gonna ask, so I'm using the E17 brush from Morphe. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Basic Truth or Trut. Is it Truth or Trut? Lord, this is nude shade right here in the center of the palette. I didn't show it because I didn't know if I was gonna like it, but I just added a little bit of this shade called All In. The Laura Mercier or Mercier, y'all, I swear I heard Lee J say Mercier, and I've been saying Mercier ever since, but I think that's how you say it. But this is the Pure Canvas primer. I love this primer, y'all. It just gives me this really silky smooth finish. And then the foundation I'm using is from Anastasia in the shade 440C. for highlighter, we're using the Kylie concealer in the shade Granola. And to contour, we're using the black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carob. I like to blend out my contour first, really because I like to let my under eyes sit for a little bit. But I don't know, like blending my contour first it just made me look a little cuter. Like it probably don't make a difference at all, but I just blend my contour first, like I said, mainly because I like to let my concealer sit for a little bit. Let me know down below if you guys prefer me to actually talk in my videos versus the voiceover. I'm not gonna lie, I do prefer to talk in my videos because it's less editing. But let me know, like, does it matter to y'all if I'm actually talking to y'all like live in the video or if I'm doing a voiceover? To set everything in place, I'm using my Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana. Something else I did different in this video was I did not wet my sponge. I sprayed it like one spray with my setting spray, but it wasn't really enough to do anything. But I didn't do it because I was being lazy. But I don't know, like I just like this whole look and everything just looks so much more put together and blended. So of course we're using our Fenty Coco 90 bronzer. Y'all know I always use this bronzer. That or the Makeup Revolution bronzer. And then for my mascara, I'm using the Lash Sensational from Maybelline. I believe that's the whole name of it. I don't know, but it's in a little pink tube. Okay, boom. And then my favorite bronzer is from Sistar Cosmetics. It's the Half Moon Blush Duo. And usually I would use like the brown looking side, but recently I've been mixing the brown and the red together, and it looks amazing. And then to highlight my face, I'm using my Warrior palette from Juvia's Place. I'm taking this golden shade at the bottom. It's like I like this highlighter, but it's not really giving what I want it to give. Like I want it to pop a little bit more, but I love the color. Does that make sense? Pretty sure people already know this, but it's like, it's just crazy. I feel like today's trend is just to overdo your blush. Just overdo it. Make sure you make your stuff look as red as you can. It's actually really cute though, I ain't gonna lie, I like it. So random thought, I think I'm gonna stop getting lash extensions because when you get lash extensions, you're restricted to that one style of lash that you got. But when you do strips, you know, you can switch it up. Like, and I just feel like there's so many looks I try to do. I think that's why I wasn't liking my videos, honestly, because I had on lash extensions and I just wasn't noticing like, okay, sis, this lash don't look cute with this look. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to let go of my lash extensions. But now I might really start getting to this because this is really giving me like grown. I want to say mature, but I looked up mature on YouTube, and why I put up like older, like 50, 60-year-old makeup, and I was like, wait, not that mature, not that mature. But because I was trying to see what I should title my video. That's a quick tip. So if you have a YouTube, let me not put this on yet. If you have a channel and you want to know like what to title your video, look up like some keywords on YouTube and see what pops up for those keywords already, and then I kind of give you an idea what to title your video, even though I still never know what to title my videos, which I know what not to title it. This lip liner is from NYX. This one is in the shade Espresso. I don't know why I said number. This is from Anastasia in the shade Crush, the liquid lipstick. And then if you want to be extra, which we are, I'm going to take, so these bottom lashes y'all see me finna apply, they're not actual bottom lashes. I cut them off a pair of lashes that I put on my client, and I just end up keeping them. It was like the little corners that I cut off, and they're really wispy, like super wispy. So I'm gonna just take it and stick it like right in the center of my eye. I will be keeping my scarf on because the wig is not giving what it was giving in the previous video. I do need to take it off and reinstall it, but I've actually done that a few times, and it's like I just cannot get it to look back like how it was. Like, I swear, 1 minute I could install a wig and the next minute I can't. Like, so yeah, we're keeping the scarf on today, and I'm gonna just leave it like this because I had curled it, but I mean the curls fell, so it's whatever at this point. Yeah, I don't really set my face with setting spray anymore because I feel like it just made me look too wet, and it never, it's like for some reason, I don't know if it's just my skin, but it's like my skin never fully absorbs it. Like, I don't know what be going on, or it's just take its sweet time, and I don't like the way it make it look because I feel like every time I close my videos, or like at the end of all my videos, I just look like a grease ball, and it's not cute. I could even use a matte a matte setting spray, and it'll still look the same. So the time I actually set is like when I feel like I still look a little ashy under my eyes, but I'm not really getting that from what I see in the mirror. So we just gonna pray to God that it look good on camera because it look good in my laptop from what I can see. If you guys enjoyed this look, if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.